$1,000. That is it. Most people look at that number and think it is not enough to change anything. I used to think the same thing. But here is what I discovered. $1,000 invested correctly can become $100,000. Not through luck, not through gambling, not through some secret nobody talks about. Through a system. A real, proven system. And today I am going to show you exactly how. Before we start, I want to be honest with you. This is not a get-rich-quick video. This is a get-rich-smart video. The difference? Get-rich-quick fails 99% of the time. Get-rich-smart, with patience and the right strategy, works almost every single time. So if you are ready to think differently about money, stay with me. This will change how you see that $1,000 sitting in your account right now. Phase 1. The foundation. Your first job with $1,000 is not to invest it immediately. I know that sounds strange, but most people lose money because they skip this step. Here is what you do first. Split that $1,000 into two parts. $500 goes into an emergency buffer fund, a high-yield savings account, not a regular bank account. Why? Because if an emergency hits, you will not be forced to sell your investments. A car repair, a medical bill, anything unexpected. This is the mistake that kills most people's wealth-building journey before it even starts. They invest everything. An emergency hits, they sell at a loss. They give up. Not you. Not after today. The other $500 is your investment capital, and that is where the magic begins. Phase 2, your first investment. With $500, here is exactly what I would do. Open an account with a low-cost index fund platform. Now, what is an index fund? Simple. Instead of buying one company stock, you buy a tiny piece of 500 companies at the same time. If one company fails, you barely feel it. If the market grows, you grow with it. The S&P 500 index tracks America's 500 biggest companies. It has returned an average of 10% per year for the last 50 years. Not every year is perfect. Some years are down, but over time the direction is always the same, up. So your $500 goes into a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. And then you do something most people cannot do. You leave it alone. Phase 3, the multiplier. This is where compound interest becomes your most powerful weapon. But there is a second multiplier most people completely ignore. Monthly contributions. Here is the real secret. $1,000 invested once grows slowly. $1,000 invested once, plus $100 added every single month, grows exponentially. Let me give you real numbers. $500 invested today in an S&P 500 index fund, plus $100 added every month at 10% average annual return. In 10 years, that becomes approximately $20,000. In 20 years, that becomes approximately $76,000. In 25 years, that becomes over $130,000. From $1,000 to start and $100 a month. That is the power of consistency combined with compound interest. Phase 4, acceleration. What if you want to reach $100,000 faster? There are 3 accelerators. Accelerator 1, increase your monthly contribution. Every time you get a raise, a bonus, or extra income from any source, put 50% of that increase directly into your investment, not into lifestyle, into your future. Accelerator 2, learn one income-generating skill. Freelancing, content creation, consulting. Use that extra income exclusively for investing. Accelerator 3, reinvest every dividend. When your index fund pays dividends, do not take that cash. Reinvest it automatically. Every dividend reinvested buys more shares. More shares generate more dividends. More dividends buy more shares. This cycle, if you never interrupt it, is how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. Now, I want to be real with you for a moment. This strategy requires something that money cannot buy: patience. Most people start this journey, watch their money grow slowly in the first 2 years, and then they quit. They want faster results. They chase crypto. They chase hot stocks. They lose everything. The people who follow this system, who add consistently, who reinvest everything, who never panic sell, reach their goal. Every single time. Your $1,000 today is not just $1,000. It is the foundation of your financial freedom. So here is your action plan starting today. Step 1. Open a high-yield savings account for your $500 emergency buffer. Step 2. Open an index fund account. Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab are excellent starting points. Step 3. Invest your first $500 into an S&P 500 index fund. Step 4. Set up automatic monthly contributions, even if it is just $50 to start. Step 5. The most important one. Do not touch it. If this video helped you see your money differently, give it a like. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. And subscribe, because every week I share strategies like this one to help you build real wealth. $1,000. That is all it takes to start. The question is, will you start today?